Hey guys, this is Maddie Master, and today we'll be doing a fidget spinner review. And Hudson, do you want to show yours first? Sure. Alright, so let's turn off the lights. Yeah, close enough. Awesome, I don't think I can. Well, anyways, it glows in the dark. Yes, it glows in the dark. Yeah, y'all can see it. Yeah, look, this is mine. Let's see, I'll show them yours. Actually, no, don't turn it off. No, show them yours. Show them yours. Yeah. It is glowing in the dark, mine is not. So now I'll show you. On his spins for like longer than mine, and his takes like probably 1 minute and like 40 seconds. The highest one was like 2 minutes. Mine went like 1 minute and 50 seconds. Yeah, mine's pretty slow. Oh, if you're wondering what this is on my face, I got a face painted today at school, and I got a football and a number 11. That's my number in real football. So this is mine. Mine is a double spinner, and mine does not have finger pads like this where they just like come off. Mine actually like screws off. Look, you can unscrew it, and you can actually screw it on like this without even a fidget spinner, and it actually looks cool. But the reason why I bought this one online was because I wanted to be different from everybody else in my school who has triple spinners. That's it for today. Oh yeah, good job to Wyatt Burnett. He got 5 subscribers. That may be not a lot to y'all, but he started on Sunday, last Sunday, and now he already has like 5 subscribers. That's pretty cool. I have 1 subscriber under him. So thank y'all for watching. See y'all later, and bye.